Hey friends, there's a surprise for you all.
Hey world! Today, without any ado, I have got a surprise for you! Yeah!
So incorrect. It's the Vandit stack electric car.
Hey world! The car you are seeing right now is actually the fastest builds of Vandit stack, cause it took me just 2.5 hours to build this whole electric socket with this cool body. Yeah, it just took me 2.5 hours. Unbelievable, right? But though, I think that because of the experience of the electric bike, links are up, I have made it faster. And well, let me introduce you to my new car, the Vehcles. Well, I need a Ant-Man power to enter it, but though, it's already cool. The base you can see here is a base of a real RC car which broke down, and I upgraded it with my ideas. So, it has the same systems as the bike, but you can see that they are compact. First of all, this switchboard you see here, the DIP switch, the first two DIP switch are only the working one. Well, we need them only. So, the first one is of the LEDs, the headlights, and the second one is of the motor. So that this is actually, the second one is actually the key, and the first one is the headlight. You can see that I closed it. The headlights are off. When I open it, they turn on. So that's interesting. Then this switch is the bi-directional switch, which helps us to direct our car, the right and left motion. And then this button is the beeper, so that's the horn of our car. So you just want to click it one time and the beeper goes on, click it twice, the beeper is off. Then this you can see here back, this LED, that's the brake light, and this is the brake. So right now if I turn on the brake, the brake's on, turn off. Well, there are some soldering problems, but though it's turned off. See there? There! So this is the electric car. This is the charging system. It has all the wires connected to each other, and then they are all connected after going to the battery. If the charges, the electricity succeeds, then it comes in the beeper and the beeper starts to beep loudly. So I can know that that batteries are full. And even though I know that they take full 2 hours for the charge. So it's like the bike, but yes, it can run. So you have to control it manually. This guy can run on the ground, so it compensated the wish, the desire that the bike could not run on the ground, but this can. So friends, stay tuned, cause it's Vandit stack, there can be anything possible. And if you have liked this video, do like, share, subscribe.